Essay on International Volunteer Day. International Volunteer Day (IVD) is celebrated annually on December 5th to recognize the contribution of volunteers around the world. It is a day. It is a day to celebrate the spirit of volunteerism and to encourage more people to get involved in their communities. In their communities. Volunteering is a great way to give back to your community and make a difference in the world. It can also it can also be a rewarding experience that can help you develop new skills and make new friends. There are many different ways to volunteer. You can volunteer your time to a local charity, help out at a school or community center, or practice it or participate in a volunteer project abroad. No matter how you choose to volunteer, you can make a difference. So get out there and make a difference. A difference today.